Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to a mini adventure with Two to Go Travel. We are currently in Hot Springs, Arkansas. Very excited to say we are revisiting Lookout Point Lakeside Inn here in Hot Springs. This is where we spent the night before we headed out on our honeymoon, and we are so excited to be back at this beautiful inn. All of the rooms here are absolutely breathtaking, comfortable, and let me tell you, the view from the backside of the inn is absolutely gorgeous. Most of the rooms here have these fantastic balconies. You can sit outside and listen to the water fountains that they have. There's so many beautiful flowers in the back too. It's one of my favorite views up here. So after you get off the main strip here in Hot Springs, you come down this little hill and you're greeted with the most beautiful trees and gorgeous entryway into the inn. We have found part one of two of Two to Go Travel. Long time no see.
I'm here at Lookout Point. I'm ready to go check it out.
Alrighty, y'all. Well, we're gonna walk inside. I'm gonna let Cody get that door for us. That's why I said he's part one of two to Go Travel. Let's go. So I'm gonna let Cody open this door for us. I love that we get a physical key.
Very
makes
fancy.
me feel, I was about to say, it makes me feel fancy. Alright guys, let's check it out. I love these rooms. They all have beautiful wood floors. But the first thing we're greeted with, of course, nice little coffee station, because everybody needs a coffee at least once a day. Another thing that I love that they supply, that good Mountain Valley water. It's delicious. They actually have a little place in town that you can get some, so maybe if we have time. But the room here is absolutely breathtaking. I love it. It's so cozy, a nice little home away from home. The bedding is super plush. You just feel like you're sleeping on a cloud. We have a nice pretty little fireplace. And then you come over to this fancy little corner, a little nook for the breakfast that they will deliver to your room, which is really fantastic. We have raved about this breakfast since we were here 3 years ago. It is so good. A little reading nook over here in the corner. And then I'm going to swing back around to the bathroom. Has this beautiful bathtub and sink. It's just so pretty.
We got some chocolates, some complimentary little chocolate treats.
Let me check those out. I'm actually very excited about these.
Yeah.
They're so pretty.
Should we try one?
Yes.
Right.
I think I actually want to try this one. Let me grab it. You may have to. There we go. Pretty sure this is salted caramel. It looks like it's got flaky salt on the top. We're gonna give it a little bite. That was very crunchy. This is salted caramel, and it's very delicious.
Ooh, it looks good.
Yeah. Okay, your turn. Let me
Very
see.
stylish.
Ooh, that one's fancy.
Stylish. I mean, if it's stylish, it must be delicious. So, what a crunch!
Oh, is that? Is that cookies and cream?
I don't know. It's got a little cream in it. That's really good. Kind of like a little vanilla cream or something.
No, that sounds
I
good.
don't know. I don't think it. Well, you might have the little chocolate chunks in it. I can't tell. It's good though. Good little chocolate.
That was a nice little surprise when we got here in the room. So, just another reason why we like to come back here. A lot of these rooms have balconies, and I want you to see what we get to enjoy. You can hear all the birds. There's that beautiful water fountain that I was talking about. Ooh, there's a little squirrel enjoying a snack. These back gardens are absolutely gorgeous. Down there in that area right over there, that is a little fire pit that they have with a bunch of seats around it. Over towards the left-hand corner, we have some hammocks you can lay out in. And down towards the water, there are some chairs that you can sit under an umbrella and just absolutely enjoy the water. And over in that little corner, that's where they house all of your kayaks, your paddle boards, your canoes. They have all that down there that you can use anytime you want during your stay. And I even think you can go swimming right out there in the back. Another cool little feature that they've added since last time are these little iPads that you can use during the stay. It gives you a bunch of information about Lookout Point Inn and everything that's provided here. So we have details and amenities, the Lookout Point dining, the in-room dining. Let's see what else. Front desk, housekeeping, local flavor. I'm assuming maybe that's some potential places to eat for dinner. So you can go through this little iPad, select it, and find out some information that might be helpful during your stay. So these are actually really cool. Another one of my absolute favorite things about staying here is they have a little house-made cookie section that you can come and get any time of day. And so we actually have a box of them on our floor. So we're gonna go take a look. They also have them downstairs, and they have a little refrigerator that has Cokes, Sprites, water, a little microwave if you need it to heat up your cookies at night. And we're gonna go check that out too. So come with me. Here's our little cookie section. We have oatmeal raisin, snickerdoodle, chocolate chip, and peanut butter. And 2 of those are vegan options, which is really cool. So I'll definitely be eating 1 or 2 of those later tonight. Actually, the view I was pointing out earlier with a little waterfall and everything. You can see all of this from our room. So we're just gonna walk down. Let's actually walk down this way. So gorgeous and so relaxing. There's a couple of other guests that are out here using the chairs and over by the fire pit I mentioned before, just enjoying the view. It's so peaceful. So they house all of their water sport activities. Over here we've got, let's see, we've got some paddle boards, some canoes, some kayaks, and then the pedal boards, or that's not what you call them. What do you call them? Ones where you push I think we might need to Google.
Yeah. Let us know in the comments what they're called.
We definitely don't know. Somewhere along the walkway, there's some steps that you can actually swim, like get in the water off the back side of the property. Ah, there they are. There's actually 2 spots right here. Thank y'all for walking around with us and doing a short little tour of Lookout Point Lakeside Inn. Glad you got to see all of the property, these absolutely stunning gardens in the background. Maybe gives you a little bit of a taste of why we love this property so much. And I have a feeling we will definitely be back, hopefully more than once in the future. So again, thank y'all for coming with us. Feel free to like and subscribe on our YouTube page. And if you like this type of content and you want to see a little bit more, just let us know in the comments. Thank y'all.